It's John McLauchlan. It's day 122, promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. Tell you what, I was so busy today. I've been messing around with doing a new format for YouTube Shorts and TikTok stuff, and I've been messing around with this format, and literally I almost forgot. It's like 11:30 at night, and it put me out a little bit because I like to do the myleadgensecret case study around the same time. So because obviously the leads go out every 24 hours. So it's a little bit late. Anyway, that's what happens sometimes. And to be honest, when I actually got on, when I realised it was that late, I thought, oh dear, no, I'm not going to do it tomorrow. Do it now. Do it now. And I've prepared an email, so it's all good to go. So I'm going to keep this on real quick. We'll do the usual thing. I'll go on to the stats. 2 sales today, which is always good. Just go and refresh the page on Clickbank. So there we go. There's today's results. 2 sales. If I go on to the old stats, these are all the sales that I've just been looking through. What I tend to do is I go through these stats and I look for the emails that have produced sales. Okay, this is all the tracking code. So I'll just go into myleadgen, find out which email produced a sale, and go and send that. And that's what I've done today. So I'll go to, let's go to here. Grab that. Just have a look at the sales as an overview. So currently 83.50 for the week. Remember, our target is $200 for the week. Okay, and the week renews on Wednesday because that's when I started the case study. So we've got a few days. Are we going to do it? Are we going to reach our $200 target? We'll see. Okay, 92. That'd be good. 29.02 for those sales. I was going to show you something else. Can't remember what it was. Right, okay, let's jump on to myleadgen. Have a look at the card coming up there. Tells you all about myleadgen. Okay, I'll let the card do its business for today. I'm sure you know the drill by now if you're watching along. If this is the first time you visit the channel, then welcome, and please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Loads of really good quality information, quality content on this channel. I don't say that lightly. So yeah, you're going to get a lot of benefit from this channel, and give us a big thumbs up when you get some value, okay? Or even if you don't get some value, just if you like the sound of my voice. Right, definitely going to get a thumbs down, that is. Right, mailing system, let's go and have a look. So what we do is we select all the leads. We're going to load in yesterday's email because it keeps all the formatting, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay, that's one thing I haven't done, the subject line. I need to go and redo the subject line because it's not really relevant. Did I do it? No. Okay, that's right. So let's go over to, I want to copy all this copy the copy. There we go. Right, Control V. Okay, so essentially what we're doing is we're promoting a comic strip writer who wants help with his Instagram channel. That's part and parcel of the content and I'll show you the landing page in a minute. So I'm kind of talking about, I'm going to keep it quick because it's nearly the weekend. Talking about the fact that yesterday I spoke about friend of mine who is a little bit of a story, loves his spectrums, and I asked him today what was the game called. He was playing with a game. I'll show you the story afterwards, but essentially the game was Spy Hunter. So anybody who kind of resonated with yesterday's email would know that there was a ZX Spectrum involved, and that the game was called Spy Hunter. Crikey, John, get your words out, boy. Sorry, I'm just a bit tired. Okay, so yesterday I told you about earning money with computer games and tech, and today it's comics. So there's a little bit more of a connection there. And the comic I like is called The Dandy, or I used to like it when I was 7, and Captain America. Okay, so comics like The Dandy and Captain America can get you a job paying $7.50 per week. Okay, click here for details. And we just go into the details. Pretty much all this is the content that we got, or the copy from Clickbank. The rest of it's all my preamble that I wrote. Okay, so I'm going to just delete that. Just get our spacings. Okay, good. Right, so I want to grab the link. In fact, I'm just going to change the date. 1ml 10:05. Right, so we'll go to this link here. It's going to be bolded in the usual way, and I'm going to put the link in there, paste that. It's got today's date in, that's good to go. And this one is just going to be regular. But that's going to be 1A. A 1A link, 10:05. Okay, good. Right, so we need to look at the headline. So let's have a look, let's have a see. Okay, so that's the subject line we've done. 750 per week, Bob. A job with Captain America on Instagram. Okay, it's not brilliant, but it's the best I want to come up with right now. So I'm going to go and preview it, have a quick look. The email looks bang on, actually. The email looks really good. And the first thing what's striking my attention is the big ZX. Okay, so that's calling my attention. Okay, this area is calling my attention because of the numbers. Okay, and then as we move down, we've got this in brackets, and then we've got this little cluster of numbers there. So putting numbers in works because it draws your eye, and putting the occasion, just changing the punctuation with brackets or capital letters also works as well. Okay, but make sure it's relevant. Right, we'll check the links. Have a slurp of coffee. So that's okay. Just make sure that your Clickbank ID is correct, and the other one's going to be fine as well. Perfect timing. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm going to take off almost, because when this goes out, it's going to be probably ticking past midnight and into Saturday. So if I put it's almost, and then they open it and it's the weekend, then it looks like an old email, which gives it less relevance. Yeah, we'll send email. There we go. That's good. Okay. Right, that's my notepad popped up. I'm just going to go and click on source, Control A and C, and right click and paste. Let's put that into my notepad. And all we have to do now is we just copy and paste, and it's as simple as that. Copy, Control V from there, Control AC. How many leads have we got in here? 165,000 almost. Makes a difference. Well, it doesn't make it. It makes a difference to the numbers, but if you're sending rubbish emails, it's not going to make any difference. And that really is. I mean, a lot of people sort of contest. When you start doing My Lead Gen Secret, or if you're doing some research on My Lead Gen Secret, you'll get people that get obsessed with how many accounts have you got, how many leads have you got, what are you promoting. Okay, and very few people ask What's your strategy? What skills do you need to get better at what you do? And how do you connect with your audience? Because that's what really makes a difference. And people are, obviously, there are some people that, you know, are warming up to the fact, but most people don't consider it. And that's why the majority of people just don't build a business. You always get the same thing in business. With the online business, if you've been around the online business world for a length of time, you'll know it's always the same faces, you know, on the leaderboards, the same people on the stage, the same people doing the same things, and that's why. So become one of those people by asking good questions and refining your skills. In fact, what I've been doing most of today is I'm not really one for, or I haven't in the past been one for video shorts, because I'm a filmmaker. Let's just say that. I went and got myself a degree a few years ago because I was quite good at filmmaking, and then got even better at it. And then shorts came out, and I thought, I'm not having anything to do with shorts. Video shorts, just kids dancing around the phone, and I had nothing to do with it, and missed out massively as a result. And now what I'm doing, I'm now putting my stall together to produce professional shorts, and it's kind of like, well, how do I find my way into the market? 53-year-old bloke, just turned 53 actually. How do I leverage shorts without looking like a complete idiot? So I've done it, and I've got the format down, and I've doing it so it looks good and it fits my brand. That isn't my brand, by the way. That's just so it's kind of important to do that, and we've got there. So I've been doing that most of the day. Right, let's just paste that in. Right. Right, we're on account number 4. Yeah. Okay, on account number 4. Perfect timing, and we'll just preview this one just to see what it's like. What I should have done really, you put like fancier job. No, that's good enough. That's good enough. I don't want to make it too misleading. In fact, I don't want to make it misleading at all. But that's fine. Right, one more. Oh, excuse me. Mailing system. Select all leads. Supposed to have an early night tonight. Get to bed early, because last night was a bit of a... It was boiling last night. The UK had some weird heat wave. Either that or it's my menopause. I don't know. I'm not quite sure, but I was boiling, sweating, and needless to say, the sleep was a little bit affected, so I'm a bit tired today. And then looking through 50,000 different shorts to go and do duets with. It's it's good though. It'll be interesting when it gets going. The actual duet side of things. Been doing shorts a little while now, and they're really fun to do. I love them. They're great. Okay, we're done. We are done. Right. Anyway, I will leave you with that. Sorry about me kind of rambling a little bit. Just a little bit random tonight. Only because I left it too late and now it's nearly midnight. But hey, there we go. Right. Anyway, if you got some value from this, if you're still here watching my ramblings, then you're awesome. Thank you very much. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Any questions that you've got, drop them in the comments. I always reply to the comments. There's lots of different ways you can contact me, and by all means contact me if you need anything answering, any questions that you like answering, and I will see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.